Happy new month, beautiful people. Welcome to the month of September. I am Juliet and welcome to Avajulis Craft. So today I'm going to be introducing the Jolene drawstring bag to you. Now a client requested that I recreated the Flamenco bag by Loewe. I initially did not like to replicate designer bags, but I had to make this one because it is so beautiful. Okay, so this is the leather version and this is a fabric version. So there are some changes, there are some differences in the construction pattern and the construction techniques or in the steps for leather and for fabric. So for non-fraying material and for fraying material. Okay, so they are there, especially when it comes to constructing the drawstring strip. Now for this version, you would see that I attached a short strap. I love this strap so much. I feel like it just gives the bag a more luxurious finish. And this, I attached a crossbody strap to it. Now for the strap connectors, you will notice that for this version the strap connector is on the exterior, but for this version the strap connector is on the interior. At the end of the day, we set it for the strap connector on the interior. That is fine, whichever one works your boat. Okay, so yeah, let me properly introduce you to the Jolene drawstring bag. So first off, let us start with the exterior. Now the exterior, I love the shape of the entire bag. It is a simple and straightforward pattern. It is easy to construct. It is an intermediate pattern, simple and straightforward. So we have boxed corners right here. This is the side seam. As you can see, we have boxed corners, and this is what the bottom of the bag looks like. A simple, straightforward construction, nothing complicated. Okay, now the major exterior or the major closure for this bag is the drawstring, obviously, and a magnetic snap. Simple and easy to go, nothing complicated at all. A magnetic snap and a drawstring. All right, so simple. Now to open, I'm just going to open to show you guys what it looks like. So this is what it looks like without you pulling the drawstring strip. Now as you can see, you can rock it like this, or you can rock it while it is scrunched up. Okay, so you don't necessarily need to scrunch it up. All right, so yeah, I am going to open up the interior to show you what it looks like. Okay, so this is the interior. This is the interior of the bag. Very spacious. Very spacious. And on the interior we have a zipper pocket with an overlay and a single belt pocket, and that is about it. Like I said earlier, there may be differences in the construction steps for framed fabric and non-framed fabric. Okay, so whichever material you're using, there are instructions for that. Okay, so now for this cotton fabric, I also like this cotton version. This is what it looks like without scrunching it up. It is beautiful, as you can see. I love this bag so much. Okay, so you can rock it as a crossbody bag or as a handbag, whichever one works your boat. Okay, so you can even add both of them. You can add a short strap and a crossbody strap to make them twin. So this is what the interior of the cotton version looks like. Now depending on the fabric you use, I feel like this bag can work for special occasions and also for day-to-day activities. Alright, so as you can see, because of the leather I used, it gives it a more matured / luxurious / party feeling, but this one has a more casual day-to-day feeling. All right, so depending on the fabric you use, you could take it up to a party bag or to a casual day-to-day bag, and I love that it can contain a lot. So I have a notepad right here. I'm just going to put that in to show you that it can contain a lot of items. This is a smaller notepad. I'm just going to put that in. We still have more space. So it has 2 pockets. You can also add a keylish if you want. It has a zipper pocket with an overlay, and it has a single belt pocket. And the construction for framed fabric and non-framed fabric for the zipper pocket with an overlay are different. You would find them in the instruction. I love this bag so much, and I like that it is simple, it is straightforward, and it is easy to construct, right? It is easy to construct. Now this is time for me to give a huge shout out to my testers. I really don't know what I would do without this set of women. We tested this pattern in a week, guys. In just a week we tested this pattern, and they did justice to it. Like, they did justice to it. And this is me saying thank you to all my pattern testers from the bottom of my heart for all the corrections, the suggestions, the ideas, everything. In fact, when I made this pattern, the strap connector was on the exterior, but a lot of my pattern testers didn't find it easy to place the strap connectors on the exterior, so we had to switch to the interior. And one of my pattern testers, Sylvia precisely, is the one who showed me, or who showed that she made her own version with the strap connector on the interior of the bag. And I was like, okay, let us roll with that. Easy, simple, and good to go. Okay, so I'm going to leave the pattern linked below. It is 20% off till September 7th. Okay, I am going to be uploading this video late, so it is going to be 20% off 5 days after the uploading of this video. Okay, and all other patterns on our website are also 20% off in order to celebrate you for being with us for 2 years. Yes, Avajulis Craft is 2 years as a pattern design company, as I said earlier. So other patterns are also 20% off. So if you have a pattern that you've been having your eyes on, this is the time to get it. Okay, I told that said, next up you are going to be seeing the bags made from our pattern tester. Alright, be sure to join our Facebook community so that you can share your design and you can ask any questions that you have. Like our Facebook page, follow us on Instagram, and also subscribe to our YouTube channel.